doing?
Hey guys, me and Anna's here, right here, and she's just doing this. I have to go grab the rest of the slimes.
Keep doing it till it all gets mixed in.
And whoever called us to make the slime, we made it. Nobody is gonna call us. Why? Okay, so guys, if you subscribe, hashtag Slime Squad,
Woo!
then you'll get shipping of
Free shipping?
free shipping
I'm sorry.
of mine and her kind of slime. And then at the end of this video, and then you guys comment down below. Yeah. By the end of the day, we have to mix all of our slimes together. And then you have to dare to do that. We'll see how many people say we have to mix them together. And then it's going to be a big giant one. Guess who's ready to do that? Me! Okay. Me too! And then, we're just poking our slime right now. We're going to poke some more slime. We're going to poke our No. Okay, oh, that's yours. That's yours. These are mine. Yeah. Wait, we need to get a cash register. No, there's grass in here. There's grass. Okay, so guys, we are planning to sell our slime outside right now. Yeah, somebody's gonna buy our slimes and
Out in the sunshine if it melts.
So yeah, we're not gonna sell it. We're just selling it out in our yard, and then we're gonna see who comes by. So let's go. Okay. Anyways, Anna, Gordon, can you help us grab these slimes? I'll show you where. Okay.
Outside they're gonna melt.
Yeah, we're just gonna stay right here for now. Inside. And we are going to do we actually really want to go sell something, but we can't. Yeah. So we're gonna go outside. I'm kidding. We can both be in it. Okay.